how I get my first 1,000 subscriber on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. It's your friend Boys Monakes again. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I managed to get my first 1,000 subscriber on YouTube. It was not that easy, but I'm going to share you guys all the steps. I hope for you it will be easy. By the way, don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, if you're not a returning subscriber, and let's go. The first step that I used to achieve my first 1,000 subscriber is that at the beginning, when you start, think about two things. The first one is the quantity and the second one is the quality. So let's talk about the quantity first. Okay, when it comes to quantity on YouTube, at the beginning when you start, please, I'm begging you, please upload as much as you can. Upload a lot of video. Don't be like, okay, I will care about the quality, because if the quality is not good, people will not keep on watching. Even the quality is perfect, even you do perfect quality, even the quality is good, people will not watch your video at the beginning. Yeah, when you start YouTube, people will not care about your video. No one care about your video. Nobody wanna watch you because you don't have subscriber, and it's normal. You don't have anything. No one knows you at the beginning. So what I recommend here is that upload as much as you can at the beginning. Don't worry about the quality. The quality does not matter at the beginning. Doesn't matter at the beginning. Just upload a lot of video. Upload at least 3 times a week if you can. Then people will say, no, upload once a week, like you do a quality video, upload once a week. No, I passed through there and I know what's going on there. If you upload once a week, you have like a 4 video a month, because in the month there is a 4 week. If you upload once a week, you have 4 video in the month. So with 4 video a month, like for 12 months, how many video you will have? So at the beginning, for me, what I recommend is even you can upload every single day. If you want, you can upload every single day. It will be helpful. Yeah, it will be helpful. You will not be worried about, no, I don't have enough data to show. YouTube like when people uploading video on YouTube, like people realize, hey, you have to upload quality video. No, the more you upload on YouTube like it, and YouTube can recommend your video. Quantity, upload more video, more, as much as you can. Okay, let's talk about the quality now. When it comes to quality video, when it comes to YouTube quality video, at the beginning, I don't think someone can do quality video. Yeah, at the beginning, I don't think there is anyone who started YouTube and is a big YouTuber now and it can make a quality video. No. You always have to, go through a curve like that, up and down, till you know how to do a quality video. Because your editing skill is not good at the beginning. You don't know how to edit. You don't know how to shoot video. You don't even know. You're learning. You keep on learning. But if you like worry about, no, I will do quality video, you'll end up, you'll end up quick YouTube, because like it's not that easy. But the more you upload, the more, like every day you upload, you get used to it. You go, oh, okay, I need to do this one. Oh, I need to change this one. Oh, I need to change this one. So don't worry about the quality, worry about the quantity at the beginning. That was the first step. The second method that I use to get my first 1,000 subscribers is that I optimize my video. What I mean by optimizing video, YouTube is a search engine, and like YouTube is like Google. Yeah, anyway, Google owns YouTube and YouTube is Google. Google is YouTube. Yeah. So YouTube is a search engine. You cannot just upload like that. You just put a title, you just think about, oh, I'll put this one, and you put a title and that's it. No, it doesn't work that way. If you upload video and you just put a title, whatever you want, you don't optimize, you don't like search for the title, for the keyword of the title, you don't fill your description well, you don't do anything like you don't optimize everything, your video cannot rank and search. No, your video cannot go anywhere. But if you search for the keyword, for the proper keyword for your title, for your video, the description and everything, is really helpful. And the best thing about that is now we have like TubeBuddy or VidIQ. VidIQ or TubeBuddy, you can use that and search. For me, I have like the pro version of TubeBuddy. Pro version is about $9, you know, a month. $9 a month is worth it, because if you optimize your video through TubeBuddy or vidIQ, you will see, you know, you will rank in the tag, you will rank in, you know, in your title, and people will discover you. Like, you will see people in your channel, you don't even know how they find your channel, but because of your title, your description, and your tags. So optimize your video first. Yeah. The third step that we're going to cover in this video is that do a small YouTuber support. What I mean, do a small YouTuber support. In the month of July, there is a girl approached me on YouTube through my video. She said, like, let's be friends. Let's be friends on YouTube. I said, no, I don't want to do those sub for sub things. No. She said, no, it's not to do sub for sub. It's just to be a friend, like you know, a good friend on YouTube. I said, okay, I don't mind doing that. Like, but if it's for sub, I'm not inside of this. She said, no, let's just be friends. I said, okay. And she subscribed to my channel. I went to her channel, subscribed to her channel. Yeah. Shout out to Money Mail here. Yeah, I subscribe to her channel, and we, you know, anytime I upload a video, she come to my channel, like, subscribe, comment, and you know, as possible, she shared my video. And also, if she upload a video, I'm going there, comment and like and do whatever I can do. And there is a time her subscriber, you know, just went up. She's like, wow. I go to her channel, I check. So no, Money Mail, how you manage to, you know, to increase your subscriber in less of time like that? She said, oh, okay. I will hook you up with people who doing live stream, and they give a shout out to people there. I said, oh, okay, yeah, that's good. And she hooked me up with those two girls, like Vivke Living and Jenny Mensa. Yeah, those two girls are the key factor of me getting my 1,000 subscriber. I won't lie to you guys here. Yeah. If it's not because of those girls, maybe right now I don't even have like I don't even have like 1,000 subscribers. Maybe you know, 500 subscribers and all. But bruv, those girls are the one who helped me to get my first 1,000 subscribers. What they're doing is that they're going on live stream. They're streaming literally every day at the time. But now I think they stopped. But there is other people who are doing that. They're doing live stream. They can go for live stream maybe 4 hours or 5 hours, and everybody who come into the live stream, they're writing down his name. And depending on the time you come, like if I come before you, if I join the live stream before you, obviously they will give me a shout out before you. Or if you join the live stream before me or after me, it depends on the time you join the live stream. So what they're doing is that they're writing down your name, and when your tour is up, they put your link, one of your video link in the chat, and everyone on the chat here have to go through this link, subscribe to your channel, watch your video at least for 2 to 3 minutes, comment below, and like. As possible, they can share also, but the main factor is watch at least 2 to 3 minutes, comment, like this video. Yeah, and everybody was doing that well. Like, everybody was doing, and on their live stream a day there is maybe 100 people or 150. So if you're doing that well per day, you can get maybe 100 subscriber or maybe 150 subscriber. Yeah, and I was doing like two live stream. Like, first I'm going to Vivke live stream. When she done with the live stream, I'm moving to Jenny Mensa live stream, and per day I can get like from 100 subscriber up to 200 subscriber. And wow, it was wow for me. I actually reached my 1,000 subscribers less than a month, but you know, to be reasonable, I put like in 1 month, but less than a month I reached my 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, so I was doing that every day, and is blow up my channel till I get my 1,000 subscribers. You know, now I have like, you know, 1,500 something like that. But my first 1,000 subscribers, that's how I did exactly to get this milestone. And another thing also, the last step that I want to cover here is that do a trending topic. For example, like you looking on internet, sometimes there is a trending topic there. For example, in the month of September, there was a trending topic called how to customize your iOS 14 with your iPhone 10 or iPhone 11, something like that. Yeah, and that was a trendy topic. Like, literally, if you were one of the first who start the topic, you can go viral. And if one of your video go viral, Luckily you can get your 1,000 subscriber easily, but this thing is not that easy. So the nice thing about doing small YouTuber support is that is for sure you will get there, and there is real people out there who will subscribe to the channel and they will support you in the long run. But for those like a viral video, you know, people can watch the video and they don't subscribe to your channel because maybe you don't have enough video for people to subscribe and stay in your channel every single day. So the best thing is that go to live stream small YouTuber support and grab your subscriber there, your first 1,000 subscriber there. But at the same time, upload a video. Don't just go and do live stream and don't upload a video, because if people subscribe to your channel and you don't upload anything, they will not come back to watch your video. But if you keep in uploading video every day, they will come and watch the video and they will share, and you will get more subscriber out of them, you know. So those are my steps to get my first 1,000 subscriber. But in the next video I will give you like a trick to get 1,000 subscriber more faster than this method here. But that's my method I used to get my first 1,000 subscriber. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you can, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, like also, and if you're not a returning subscriber, subscribe to this channel please. Yeah, for that I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye, have a great day.